So in the previous videos, we have learned the concept of indicators, that is special type of chemical substances which by changing their color tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic. Is this clear? So we saw natural indicators like litmus, China rose, turmeric, and then we saw synthetic indicators like phenolphthalein and your methyl orange. So I hope all the indicators, what are their natural color and what is the color change in acid or basic medium is clear. Now guys, we're going to learn another type of indicators which are known as olfactory indicators. This is very interesting guys. The word olfactory means relating to sense of smell. So olfactory indicators are those indicators which by change in smell tell us whether substance is acidic or basic. Sounds interesting, right? So there are basically two olfactory indicators, onion and vanilla. Now both onion and vanilla have a characteristic smell, right? So the moment you smell that onion smell or the vanilla smell, you can immediately make out, right? So by changing their smell, we can figure out whether substance is acidic or basic. Hence they're called olfactory indicators. Is this clear? So let's read about them. The term olfactory means relating to the sense of smell. Those substances whose smell changes in acidic or basic solutions are called olfactory indicators. An olfactory indicator usually works on the principle that when an acid or base is added to it, then its characteristic smell cannot be detected. Is this clear guys? Onion and vanilla extract are olfactory indicators. So let's understand one by one how they work. So first we'll talk about onion. Onion has a characteristic smell. Now guys, whenever you pour a basic solution over it, the characteristic smell of onion goes. So let's say you have a cloth on which you have rubbed onion, so the cloth will smell of onion. Now the moment you put a basic solution over it, the smell will go. Is this clear? So if the smell of onion is going, that means the substance is basic. But if you put an acid over it, the smell does not go. So now you're probably wondering, then how do we test an acid? So generally testing an acid is very difficult with this. Is this clear? Because whether you put a neutral substance like water or an acid, the smell will not go. So you generally cannot use this for testing acids, but you can very well use it for testing a base. The moment you put a base, the smell will go. Is this clear? So if the smell is going, means it is a base. If the smell is not going, it is either acid or neutral. Is it clear? So see, onion has a characteristic smell. When a basic solution like sodium hydroxide is added to a cloth treated with onions, then the onion smell cannot be detected. An acidic solution like hydrochloric acid, however, does not destroy the smell of onions. Is this clear? So this can be used as a test for acids and bases. So if the smell is going, means it is a base. If the smell is not going guys, it could be an acid or it could be neutral. For that you'll have to use some other indicator. Is this clear? Similar guys, the same concept with vanilla. Vanilla has a characteristic smell. Now if you put a basic solution over it, the smell will go. If you put an acid, the smell will not go. Is this clear? So vanilla extract has a characteristic pleasant smell. If a basic solution is added to vanilla extract, then we cannot detect the characteristic smell of vanilla extract. Is this clear? An acidic solution like hydrochloric acid, however, does not destroy the smell of vanilla extract. So this can again be used as a test for acid and bases. So this is the concept of olfactory indicators. Olfactory means related to sense of smell. So whenever we add a solution and the smell goes, means it is a base. If the smell is not going, it could be acid or neutral. Is this clear? So generally olfactory indicators are used for testing basic solutions. Is this clear? So guys, with this we complete our topic of indicators. So we have learnt about natural indicators, then we saw synthetic indicators, and finally we saw olfactory indicators. So I hope all these indicators are clear, and the most commonly used indicator guys in labs, it is litmus. Is this clear? So I hope all these points, indicators and concepts are clear.